I am Runbox. I am motion. I am style. I am function. Say hello to the spin bag. Whether you are a traveler or an everyday commuter, whether you take your camera with you or not, whether you are a busy urban professional or enjoying the silence of the city, combining the best of both worlds, you only need one backpack for working life and free time. When business keeps you on the go, the spin bag has got your back. It comes with an easy-access laptop compartment in the back panel. Although the access is not easy for everyone, when carrying your treasures close to your back, you keep them safe from thieves. Speaking of business, it's none of our business whether you like wrinkly shirts or not. But if you like to keep things sharp, our garment carrier will keep your clothes as well as your mood in top-notch shape wherever you go. Mind your own business and say bye-bye to wrinkles. And say hello to new adventures. The spin bag will become your trusted companion for many years to come. When traveling, any weather is tolerable as long as you have the right clothing, right? That's why we dressed our backpack in TPU-coated polyester with sleek welded seams to make it extremely durable and waterproof. We provide you with a smart and easy-to-clean bottom compartment that is ventilated and ideal to store your sweaty sportswear, dirty shoes, wet towel, or your lunchbox. The ergonomically padded straps, the removable hip belt, and the adjustable sternum straps ensure a back-friendly carrying experience. Never miss the opportunity for the perfect shot with the additional camera bag. It's padded with a weatherproof outdoor shell to protect your greatest treasures from crushing. Easy to access and fits into any bag. The backpack holds either 18 or 30 liters, depending on your needs, but is still lightweight. You can roll down the top depending on how many things you need to carry. If you feel the need for more organization, use our effortless packing organizers. Whether you feel that less is more or more is never enough, our spin bag will be your perfect match. This is our second Kickstarter. We have our roots in creating durable backpacks and crease-free packing solutions for active commuters. We believe in motion, in making active choices in style, function, and in a more sustainable way of getting around. Thanks for believing in us.